Good afternoon. I'm practicing FMC a lot because of FMC champs coming up soon, and I got a 27, which is pretty good. I averaged 29, so I'm happy with the 27. I was for a solid 3 minutes. You will see why soon. Scramble is on screen. So this is the inverse scramble. Bad edge count is 6, 8, 4. And I did do my EO on the inverse because the 4 bad edges are here, 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 and here. So it's just F prime, and I did U prime in this example for a white front EO, which leaves DR minus 8, 6. I think, 8, 6, and 6, 4. 6, 6. 8, 6, and 6, 6. I couldn't find any good RZPs, so I NIST back, and I found that you can do B prime on green top axis, and that sets up the 4E2C to bring it into 4E4C, and then just do R, and then you have DR minus 4E4C, and then I NIST back again because I couldn't find anything, and then so this is the axis. So the bad edges are here, 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 and here. Bad corners are here, 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 and here. So what I did first was I did a U2 to bring this to this, which messes these edges up, but I can just fix them later. And then I did R2, which puts the edges in an even worse position, but it brings these two blocks together, which is good because they're like adjacent, so having little mini blocks is usually ideal. And then D2 solves this pillar, but we still have unsolved edges, so the goal at this point was just solve the edges. So I did R2, which doesn't make any progress, but it also doesn't break anything, to do that. And then I can do what was it? What did I do? I'm just a world-class moron. No, the R2 was solve that. Now is where I do like edge shit. So I just did B, D2, B2L. And now we have DR with like blocks around. So the two pairs I initially looked at were these two, and then like this and this. So there's a lot of pairs to work with. So I NIST back again. So we're back on the normal scramble, and I see that you can do what did I spot? Yes, I've saw that this block is one move to connecting here to make a square, so you need to put in this edge and make a 2x2x2. A really good corners case. So, but this is fine. The 4 mover is findable in 2 separate ways. You can do this. No, you can't. You can do this. Or what I did was NIST for the 4th time and do it like that. No, why do I? How am I finding this difficult? Like that. So now just all the corners are solved, and it's 8 unsolved edges. And they do the exact same thing, and it's the same edge pattern. But I NIST for some reason. So that was 18 moves to a bunch of edges. So I thought, maybe I could like cancel some stuff. This was my backup solution originally. It was like, maybe I can cancel some shit, get like a 32 or 33 like safety. And then I found through my insertion, the first one cancelled. There were all 6 move insertions. The first one cancelled 2, second one cancelled 3, and the last 2 both cancelled 5. Okay, my camera turned off, but yeah, basically, so that turned a 42 move solution, cancelled 15, got 27. That was the final solution I had. However, I found something out. If I just set this up, in the middle of my solution, I had the moves R2, F2, R2, F2, R2, L2, B2. And when I posted my solution in FMC solvers, someone had decided to ruin my day in saying the equivalent of that is L2, B2, R2. So what that essentially means is that I had 4 completely unnecessary moves in my solution, which can just be removed. And that turns a 27 into a 23, which is tied PB2. I have one other 23 and a 20. So that was really, really frustrating because that was like the freest 23 of my life off of 18 moves to 6E2E, which is just a weird insertion to have, and then get a 23 off of that, but whatever. I still got a 27. Lol.